What's going on, guys? My name is Idan. I'm a decent Kakuro player, and today we're back with the medium Kakuro level puzzle. I have new setup, new microphone, new webcam, new everything. And let's start. This is the medium one that we're going to do today, 10 by 12. Let's go. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay, what do we start with? 1, 2. Guess it can be in both these options. 24 is always 7, 8, 9. In this the 17 is only 8, 9. And 16 and 17, this one is always going to be a 9 because this is 9, 7 and this is 9, 8. So that's a good start. Now we can do 9, we can fill in the rest. 21 unclear yet, this is unclear yet. 34 is always 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see what are we missing here. As you see, what's left here is 1 to 6. And here, oh, I guess you can still put a 4 and 6. Let's write it. Here, on the other hand, it's only 5 and above. This is, wait, 5 and above? No, that actually works. Never mind. 7, 9, 7, 9. That's 16. 17 is 4, 5, 6, 7 here. It can be a 5, so it's only 4, 6, 7. We can maybe try to figure out where the 9 is. If this is the only 9 option, or 8. You know what? 8. 8 could be easier. Let's see, can 8 be here? 8 can be here, unfortunately. That would be good though. 8 can be here and here. Alright, this is 1, 2, 1, 2. Can 31 be 1? Yep. Okay, if this has to be 1, 2, all the options that don't include 1, 2 are not real options. It means that the rest are 5 to 9. 5 to 9, 15 is 1 to 5, which means that this has to be a 5. Now 13 is 4 and above. If there's already a 5 here, and if this is 1 to 5, and 5 is already here, this has to be a 4 because of the 15. Which means that this one is a 9. And we're missing 1 to 3 here. Now 20, the lowest number can be a 3. And we're missing 1 to 3 here. Let's put a 3. And now this, both of these can be 1, 2, 1, 2. We don't know yet. Now 3 is 8. After 3, it's 8, 9. We have a 9 here, which means that this one is an 8. This one is a 9. Not bad. Not bad. 32 can be a 2. Fortunately. 35 is 5 to 9. 5 to 9. Okay, 35 is 5 to 9. The 17, though, if we're taking only the numbers that are 5 to 9, is 5, 6, 7. Let's write it down. And now that we look at this, just look at the numbers here and here. If we have two numbers, look at the two columns. We have 4, 5, 6, 7 in two columns. And we have the 4, 5, 6, 7, they're in these two columns. So it means that the rest are 1, 2, 3s. Can we figure out the other two? First of 27, many options. Can we figure out both of these? So it can be 4, 7. This one can't be a 7. Because if this one is a 7, this one has to be a 4, and 4 is not an option here. This one can't be a 7. Now, if this is 4, this is 7. If this is 6, this is 5, which means that this one can't be a 6. Now let's go back here. If we have two options that are 4, 6 and 4, 6, it means that the rest are 7, 8, 9. This one can't be a 7, so it's only 8, 9. And this one is a 7, 8, 9. Which is an option. Now if we look at the 12, 12 can be 1 to 6. 1 to 6, and 22 can... The only 1 to 6 numbers are 5 and 6, which means that this is 5 and 6, and I'll tell you even more. It takes this column. This square takes this column, which means that the rest are 1 to 4. This is an obvious 1, 2. The rest are 1 to 4. 1 to 4. If this is 5, 6, it means that this is also 7, 8, 9, because we're talking about these two columns. 7, 8, 9. So any option that doesn't have 7, 8, 9 is not a real option. This square is this column, which means that the rest are 1 to 6. Not really helpful. All right. Let's look at something else. 6. If 35 is 5 to 9, this one is a 6. This one has to be the 5. This one is the 1, and this fills this one as a 7. If this is a 7, we talked about this. This one is a 4. This one is a 6 then. What are we missing? 1 and 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay, now, as you see, this 19, if we look at this 3 squares, they all include 1, 2, 3. This means that the 1, 2, 3 has to, first of all, it has to be, and it's going to be between them. So any option that doesn't have 1, 2, 3 is not a real option. Because eventually, with all the options, no matter how you play it, it has to be 1, 2, 3. Which leaves us, and this is 7, 8, 9, this one. So it leaves us with 4, 5, 6. This one has to be 4, 5, 6. How does it help us with the 21? Can be one of these 2 columns, can it? So 8, 9. Wait, so we have this square as 8, 9, which means that there's no 8, 9 in this answer, so this one is not a real answer. Now if we look at the 8, 9, the second column, we already have the third one. The second column is 3, 4, 5. Now, this one is going to be the second column, and it doesn't have 3 in it, and we don't have 6 in it here. So first of all, 3 is irrelevant, and 6 is irrelevant here. Which means that this is a 4, 5, and this one is a 1, 2. 4, 5, 1, 2. Does it help us here? Again, same thing here. Here it's a little bit different than the 1, 2, 3 we had here. Because here we already have 1, 2, and 1, 2, which means that this one has to be the 3. Because the 1, 2 are going to be between both of them. And that makes... So if we look at this now, it's 1, 2, and 6. We can also just fill this one, and it would be clearer. That one is a 3. Okay, what are we missing here? 4 and 8. 9 and 7. And 9 and 7. And we're done with this bottom right side. This is 1, 2, 1, 2 between the 2 of them. Any option that doesn't have 1, 2 is irrelevant because there has to be 1, 2 here. All right, where do we go now? If we look at the 12, the highest number can be 6, 5, 6. Can be 5, 6. 35 is 5 to 9, which means, and 5 is already taken. This one has to be the 6. And we're only missing an 8 and 9 here. 8, 9, 8, 9. What about the 21? Can a 9 be here? Yes. All the options that don't have 8, 9 are irrelevant. Let's write them off. This one is 7, 9. This is a 9, which means that this one is a 7. And this one is a 2. What else do we have? This is 2, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good. 2, 7, 8, 9, which means that this one is a 2. 1, 2. Now this is 7, 8, 9. This is 8 and 9. So this one is a 7. This one is a 9. This one is a 7, which means that this one is an 8. And this one is the 9. This one is the 8. Let's see if we can complete this. We should be able to, because nothing on the outside is going to help us right now. What are we missing? 2, 3, 5, 6. What are we missing here? 3, 4, 7, 6. What are we missing here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start with 1, 2, 3. This can only be a 2, 3. Let's write it down. What about this? Only 3. Great. So that one is a 3. That one is a 2. That one's the 1, the 2. We're missing 6. And we're missing 7. Let's check if it's on both sides, which means that we're correct. 23 is always 6, 8, 9. Can it help us here? Yes, it can. The highest number in 6, 8, 9 is the 6, which means that this is the 6 and this is the 8, 9, 8, 9. Okay, what else do we have? 9, 1, 2. This is the 2. This is the 1. 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4. There's already 1 and 2 here, so this one has to be the 3 or the 4. 17, we're missing 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, well, we're missing 1, 2, 3, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is already here. So this one can't be 5, so it's only 1, 3. Between the 10 and the 17. Also, if 17 is 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2 can't be here because it doesn't work with the 11. 2 works. 2 works at 2, 9. So 2, 3, 5. Okay. 2, 3, 5, and then it's 9, 8, 6. 6, 5, yep. Okay, let's keep going. What are we missing? 1, 3, 3, 4. What about the 27? Okay, 27 is actually helpful. If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this can only be 3, 4. So this one is this 3 or 4. And this is 3, 4, this is 3, 4. This means that this can be a 3, because it's going to be between them. So it's the 1. This one is not an option because we have 3, 4 here. 3, 4, and the rest are 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Here is 2, 3, 5. 2 can't be because this is a 2, so it's a 3, 5. What about this? Could be everything, so it's not helpful. Okay, 3, 5 means that this is this column. And 4 is not an option. 4 is not an option. What is an option? 3, 5, and then this one is 6 to 9. Okay, not really helpful. 6 to 9, 8 to 9. It's this 3. Okay, good. Listen. This 4, 3. This has to be 4 or 3, and there's only 4 here. So that's just a 4. Simple 4. And now we're missing 7, 8, 9. So this one can't be a 6, and this one can be an 8, but it can be 7 and 9. Okay, what's here? 7, 8, 9. So 6s are not relevant because of the 3. 8, 9, 8, 9 means that this one is a 7. Now here 8, 9 means that this one is not a 5. 8, 9 and only works with 2, 3. What are we missing here? 2, 3, 5. Still unclear. Well, we should clear everything here. Okay, good. This is 5 and 8. This is 9, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3. Like a domino. Dude, this game is like a domino. 1, 2. This is missing 1, 2. There's already 2 here, so this one is a 1, 2, 9, 8, 9. Great. This one is a 9. So this one is the 8, 9. This one is 7, 8, 9. Can this one be 7, 8, 9? No, this can only be 7. So this one is a 7 actually. This, nope, my bad. Wanted to, why am I clicking this again? Okay, this is better. 1, 2, 3, 4. This can only be 3, 4 between the 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Let's write it down. This can be 2, 3, 4. This can be only 4. So this one is the 4. This one is the 3. This one is the 2. And this one is the 1. 9, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, as you see. This can only be up to 5. This, the lowest number is 5. This one is 5, and this one is a 2. What are we missing? 7, 8. This is an 8, so this one is a 7. This is an 8. This is a 6. 7. Good game. 14 minutes, that was too much. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. That's it for today. We're going to play a hard one in a couple of days. So see you then. For now, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, write something in the comments, and I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.